Both government of India and state government is responsible. Coal is not just a state subject. Okay? It is going through the international border. It is going across interstate border. Going somewhere. This has to be corrected only by intervention of judiciary itself. But my the government is sunduko danga sokpagen chawe palude of any nature has to be an investigation which should be monitored by the court. Unless this is done, the whole illegalities will continue with complete impunity. And this is something which we have to stop to protect the interests of the state and the nation. See, please remember one thing. The state government receives the royalty, which is also passed on to the district council. All the district councils are recipient of the share of royalty from the state government. In addition to that, we also have GST, we also have cess, number of revenue which accrue to the government exchequer to enable the government to meet its liabilities pertaining to environment, pertaining to other aspects. Therefore, there is a serious loss, a loss which has been continuing for last few years, not just now. The scales at which it is going is very alarming, and therefore we can't be a silent spectator. It must stop.
This is the question to the NDCs. You all actually went and checked with DMR, and what exactly were your findings on that day?
We had made an inspection. We had got to inspect the transportation which is taking place. But we found out that the illegal transportation which has been taking place is being facilitated by the government itself. So we have found out that the complete modus operandi of running this illegal transportation of coal is being facilitated by the government and by the district authorities itself.
Okay. And is it only in the one section that you've actually found this out, or it's being, the entire Garo Hills, the Gasupara port as well? Anybody?
No, Gasapara port will be visiting again. Today we have collected the sample. As we visited the area, when you look at the coal which is deposited, okay, all the depots, they are all freshly mined and dumped. Okay. In fact, the officers representing the district authorities also have one geologist. He has himself indicated that yes, these are freshly mined coal which are dumped here. Okay, so that means this is happening continuously: mining, illegal mining, loading, and illegal transportation. Now, where they are going, I think there are two routes. One is for export to Bangladesh. Another one is for export to rest of the country, to other states. So we'll have to look at where these coal are going. And we have collected the sample, and we will have a chemical analysis done on this, and to see whether the coal dumped in the Gasapara port is the same coal or some other coal dumped in Assam. They can be verified. So government will have to use their machineries to find out as to what exactly is happening. And this is precisely what we want. An inquiry which should be able to dig the truth, unearth the truth, to protect the interests of the state. Okay.